Here I am, guys, out at Lake Camanche in Ione, California. Just decided to take the TI out for the first time this season, and the temperatures were probably mid-70s here today, and it was a beautiful day. The winds were steady. Water levels here at this lake are very low right now. California is having a drought, and so they have a alternative boat ramp that is limited to a 18-foot boat. So luckily we squeezed in because the TI is, around 18 feet long. Here we are pulling into the shore, and because of the drought, the shoreline is very steep. So I didn't have to pull in the centerboard or the rudder or worry about any of that because it just dropped right off. I really love this boat. It is so much fun. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and like.